Hi everyone, my name is Renato Banzai and today I'm going to show you my application. I decided to show how flexible Iris globals are. In my first use case, I ingested data from a famous fish database with all species of fish data. I ingested all data in a global format, and after this, I used my application to render the graph. My application model is called Iris Domestic API. As you know, Iris native already exists, so it makes it easier to create this kind of graph. You only have to worry about ingest the data. In this field, we can browse the global using comma-separated values to achieve the subscripts. For example, let's go to the upper level family of this genus of fish, the Cichlidae. Great! Now we have here thousands of fish that belongs to Cichlidae family, and visually we can see which genus has more species. And if we click on a genus, we can browse the species too and see the pictures. My second use case is an interactive graph of cryptocurrency market. I get data from Binance and ingest into InterSystems areas in a global format. Binance is the biggest exchange of crypto coins here. Now I can browse between the crypto coins markets and know what coin can be traded by the main crypto coins, like this from the Bitcoin. And if I click on the coin, my browser opens the Binance home broker to trade exactly what I selected before. So if you want, you can create your own home broker using Python plus InterSystems Iris in this case. So endless possibilities to this. And here we can check at the InterSystems Iris tools what each global has inside. So for the Binance global, we have this content, and for the fish global, we have this content. It's a document type that I process after. Okay, so if you like and enjoyed my application, please vote at Open Exchange. Thank you.